Two giants in software, Zoho CRM and ServiceNow. One big question: which one really delivers? On the left, Zoho CRM, the all-in-one CRM built for growing businesses. And on the right, ServiceNow, the enterprise-grade service and IT management powerhouse. Let's skip the buzzwords and dive straight into what actually matters. Each category earns points, and by the end, you'll see who truly comes out on top. The results for 2025 might just surprise you. All right, so before we jump in, check out this mind map. We're going to break things down across price and value, feature set, integrations and automation, deployment and usability, target market, and finally, ratings and user feedback. That way, you'll get the full picture. No stone left unturned. Promise. Let's start with price and value, the one we all care about, right? So, Zoho CRM, honestly, it's kind of the champ when it comes to keeping costs low. You get flexible plans, perfect if you're an SMB, and the total cost of ownership? Yeah, way friendlier on your wallet. All that leads to some real high returns for your business. But quick note, it doesn't swing as hard on advanced IT service stuff, which some folks actually need. Now, ServiceNow, it's built for much bigger budgets. There's a solid ROI, especially if you're a big enterprise and need tons of IT power. But whoa, that upfront cost? It's, well, kinda intimidating. The setup's more complex, so expect some heavy lifting. So, who takes this round? Zoho CRM hands down wins the price and value race. Let's move on to feature set. Zoho CRM packs a pretty sweet toolkit, full-on sales, marketing, and support modules. Let's make a post to feature set. Let's move on to feature set. Automation, analytics, easy collaboration. Honestly, most teams will find the bases covered. The main gripe? The interface could use a facelift, and yeah, it's not super deep on IT service bells and whistles. ServiceNow, though, is like a Swiss Army knife for IT management. You've got incident management, complex workflows, everything a big enterprise could want, but it's all tilted toward IT. So, if you're just looking for classic CRM stuff, not its strongest suit. Plus, you'll have to climb a bit of a learning curve. In terms of features, though, both do their thing really well in their lane. So, we're calling this a tie. Time for integrations and automation. And you know what? There is a pretty wild difference here. Zoho CRM comes out swinging with 246 native integrations. Think Slack, Zoom, Gmail, Stripe, the whole gang. It's super easy to plug things in. Automation feels like a breeze. But just be aware, some setups do need you to get a little hands-on. ServiceNow's no slouch. It hooks up with all the major enterprise tools and does stick to really solid security standards. But, only 34 native integrations? For something so enterprise-heavy, that's a bit of a letdown. Oh, and you'll probably need IT to help get everything working. So Zoho CRM takes this category, no contest. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Zoho CRM actually delivers a crazy 246 native integrations. That's a huge deal for businesses wanting to link up all their favorite apps without a ton of hassle. Okay, next up, deployment and usability. So, Zoho CRM, it's made for quick, easy rollouts. Like, you can be up and running fast, even with minimal tech support. The onboarding is simple, and honestly, that's huge if you're not a big IT shop. You might need a little tech know-how for advanced customization, but it's nothing crazy. ServiceNow flips the script. It's customizable out the wazoo for big enterprises, and it handles complicated workflows like a pro. But whew, boy, the setup. Complex, time-consuming, and you'll need some dedicated IT folks. Compared to the simplicity Zoho offers, it's a very different vibe. The winner here? Zoho CRM, by a mile. Let's talk target market now. Zoho CRM is pretty much the go-to for small and mid-sized businesses. Healthcare, sales, service, you name it, it fits. If you go super enterprise, though, it might not be powerful enough IT-wise. ServiceNow, that's your pick for huge organizations, especially if the whole place runs on IT. It's honestly way too much if you're just running a small team, and for basic CRM needs, it's kinda overkill. So, who wins? Actually, we're calling this a tie, because each platform really nails its lane. You just gotta know which lane you're in. Last, we've got ratings and user feedback. Zoho CRM is sitting high, like 98 out of 100. Users love how simple and versatile it is, and the performance gets solid praise. Of course, there are the usual requests for more modern interface and a little extra tech support, but that's pretty normal. ServiceNow, for the enterprise crowd, the ratings are good, like 8.1 out of 10. Nothing to sneeze at. But yep, users do mention it's kinda a beast to learn, and onboarding could be a lot better. So, overall, Zoho CRM wins the popularity contest. All right, let's pull up the radar chart. You'll see Zoho CRM really shines when it comes to affordability, integrations, and usability, while ServiceNow holds strong in those enterprise-grade IT categories and feature depth. Each platform spikes in different places, so it all depends on what your business truly needs. So, honestly, here's my take. If you're a small or mid-sized business and need a flexible, affordable CRM, Zoho CRM is your golden ticket. If you're running a sprawling, IT-heavy enterprise and crave hardcore workflow management, ServiceNow is going to be your best friend. Both are legit. Just figure out what matters most for your team. Did this comparison help you decide? Go ahead and let me know. And hey, don't forget to bookmark this spot for more deep dive software breakdowns.